Hi all, welcome to yet another video of Ride for All. So today is day 2 of Honda Adventure Workshop, and I woke up at 5 today, so early. But yeah, we are almost ready. Gonna get some breakfast and check out early at 8 a.m. So now it's around 6:30. Gonna get some food. Alright, so all the luggages are packed. Okay. Okay. I have to definitely redo the back rear suspension. The front one is okay. We are getting ready to leave. So we have an enduro challenge coming up. A uphill battle. Okay. Already. Let's go. Okay guys, so finally we are leaving the resort. Thank you guys. Okay, back to gravel mode. Yeah, but it's slow gravel. The dust is coming up already. I'm not a fan of going slow. I like it, you know, to test myself, to balance and all that, but to be frank, on these kind of areas it's best to go a little bit faster, so you know, you can just fly through. Now we are going somewhere to do the enduro challenge, I guess. That's where we are heading to some hills. I forgot. I'll put it down in the description. Not description, here, right here in the video itself. Yeah, so we're not done with gravel, aren't we? Here comes the gravel. Change to gravel mode. I know this is not the best off-road mode, but I think for these kind of trails this is more than enough. I mean, there will be a little bit of traction control playing around, and the ABS is not completely off, but won't engage so much. Yeah, I mean, come on. It's not like all those professionals complain. It's just that, you know, it's not good enough for them, but for normal use, for a normal person, I think it's okay. Someone who just enjoys a weekend ride like me, this is more than enough. And whenever I want to do something really off-roady, I have the option to turn it off completely, even though that has the downside of if I turn off the ignition, you know, it will all reset back to the previous settings. So it's okay, but it's good to know that I still have that option if I want to. This is off-roading, but yeah, through the hills. Oh my god, look at this view. View is so good. I hope I get the we're going through a small forest. I'm not sure if this area is you know, have normal people have access to this with a bike. And I heard that we will reach some kind of valley where there's only like kind of like a green field. So it'll be nice to go there and do some donuts, some what do you call it? Wheelies. Learn how to do all that. It'll be fun. Very hard to find those kind of spaces in Saigon, but there is one, the Digit Ground, but other than that I rarely see any place. Some others go somewhere else. I have no idea where that place is. When people who have access to these kind of places, they don't share so much because they don't want a lot of people to come there and make it a mess. I agree to that. It's okay, they keep it secret, they have fun. It's okay, we will find our own places and keep our secrets. Kind of like a jungle ride. Oh, we are in an open environment now. That was dense over there, kind of like densely covered in green. Now we come to pine tree area, I guess. So this is gonna be more fun. Ooh, rocky, like it. Oh yeah. So guys, we have parked all our bikes up there for the challenge, and they're getting a drink and some snacks up there. Kudos to the event organizers. They did a great job actually setting up all this for Honda. Here's the footage of some guys doing it for real. Soon It will be us. Oh, he dropped it again. That's the second drop for him. Soon it will be us doing that. Me and then 2 others. So over there, one guy is that guy. He's gonna be behind me, and there is another uncle. So he's standing there. That's him. So him, me, and that guy over there in the jacket. That one. So we 3 are gonna be doing it together. It's fun. Look at that. Okay, so this is my team. Okay. Okay. This is my first time doing something like this. So let's do it. Okay. Here we go.
Xin mời anh Long, anh Anthony và anh Xua. Chuẩn bị. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bắt đầu. Xin mời. Cố lên, cố lên, cố lên. Chúng ta cố gắng mở rộng gấp chưa? Mở rộng gấp chưa? Đúng rồi, mở rộng gấp chưa?
Okay. Did that. Woo! Let me see if I can pick it up. Ah, I need to bend down. It's on the other side. Ah. Right. Ah, that was good. That was fun. Okay guys, here we go. We're going home. I might end this video sometime after this, and yeah, I guess otherwise the video will get longer. The more I shoot, the more I have to put into the video, so it's best that I end the video once we are out of these trails, so it's a happy ending for all. I get to enjoy my ride, the video is shorter, and I don't spend too much time with yours. All done. Now heading back home. Heading heading back to Saigon. Saigon Cafe, suit up.